welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. In case you're new here, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So today's video is actually very exciting because today I want to do a house tour. I actually moved into this house early this year, but I've not actually done any house tour. So today I've decided to give you guys a house tour, and my house is a two-bedroom house. So let's go and do this. So guys, this is my sitting room basically. So that's the door. In this house we have like a window there and a door, so they are together. So that is why we have placed the curtains that way. So that's the door, that's actually the entrance of the house. Probably I should go on this side. So guys, that's my sitting room, and you see that duvet over there, that is a duvet. Actually it's a matching duvet with the seats. Maybe we thought that that will be actually be nice, because when you feel cold unalala tu hapo and you pick the duvet and just sleep. So it's actually convenient when it's actually there. So it is always there, always. So that's our big seat. And we also go on this side. So we have also another window. That's the other window. That's the other window on that side. So we also have two more seats, and they just look alike. We also have some dolls. Yeah, these are some dolls that we use to even decorate our home just a little bit. And then we have some piece of art here. Yeah, this actually really looks nice. It makes the house look nice. So we also have another piece of art over here, but this piece of art actually excites me. This is my daughter. You know, that art is written "Precious Girl." It's actually a watch. So yeah, it looks nice. So I've decided not to put too much art on my walls because I don't want them to look like they are so they're too much. Of course they're too much, and I don't want them to look like zimejaa sana. I just want my house to look simple. So and as you can see guys, my seats don't even have throw-in pillows. So probably you can suggest to me what color of throw-in pillows I can have. Also we have a table here, and our table is quite big. We were just trying to match it with the seats, so it's a quite big table. So even if you come to my house, the table is big. So on this side guys, we have the stand. I don't know how to call it. Is it a wall unit or a stand? I don't know really what to call it, but this is a stand. This is where we put our things. So this stand, we have the TV there. It is actually pinned on the wall. Our microwave is there because at the moment at the kitchen you don't have anywhere we can place the microwave, so we thought it would be safer when it's there. We have our radio, you know, our Go TV, our DVD and all that. We also have some doll here for some art. We also have so many arts. We are people that love art. So you have so many things. So you see guys, these are basically stones. These are stones. Imagine we collected these stones and then we sprayed them, you know, with that spray that I think it's used to spray cars or something. We sprayed gold, so that is why they look. All these are stones. That's a big stone. These are just baby stones. We also have some art there. We have some horns, the horn on that side. Na hii kitu ni kimti, just a piece of wood that we picked out somewhere and sprayed it gold. So it is actually our art. Probably I should pick it up so that you guys can see it. Yeah, indeed, it makes the house really look nice. So that's one side of that. We have also the sanitizer there and all that stuff. Up here we have these are my antenatal drugs that I actually use. So why am I putting them here? I'm doing so that I cannot forget taking them, because I was told it's very advisable to take your antenatal pills when you're going to bed. So sometimes I tend to forget, so that's why I put them there. When they're there I can't forget. So on this other side we have somewhere where you can place your cups, your plate and all that stuff. So I decided to like have these wall units like this so that I can be able to get a place where I can place all these things, because if only I had a stand. Of course I have some cabinets on my kitchen, but they are too far away. I'm too way short for that. I would actually give myself a very hard time, so this is actually convenient for me. Yeah, we also have more art at the top there. So this is my husband. I think it was a gift for him at work. And we also have a very big boat up there. And we have our speaker. So also on this side, this is my daughter's balloon. We also have some more art. So this is just a piece of bottle that my husband made, and I think he rolled some what do you call it, Uzi around it, some thread around it, and he found these nice things and put them just in there. We have two of them actually. Here's the other one. So probably I can show you guys from far away how that place looks like. It looks like that, and yeah, that's basically my sitting room. So probably I could go to this side and show you guys the whole view. So that's the whole view of my sitting room. Yeah, so that's my sitting room. After you leave the sitting room, this is where you get to. We have this corridor over here. You see, kuna hiyo corridor, and this on this side. So on my right side here, we have the kitchen, and I think this is the first place we're going to go. Yeah, so guys, basically this is my kitchen, and my kitchen has only one window. Of course, we have some cabinets over there where we place our stuff. Up there, vitu kama mafuta, vitu kama chumvi, they need some place like that. And I also have these are dirty utensils from the previous night, of course. So my house has a twin sink, so I think what they were doing is this is for washing and this is for rinsing. But me, hey, me, I don't care. I would wash here, rinse here, wash here, place them here, rinse them wherever, even in a sufuria or stuff. So that is what happened. So this is where I put my bags. Unajua bags za kwenda soko. So this is where I put them, and it's supposed to be like that. So this bag, my mom was the one who gave it to me. So that is, I don't actually use it to go to the shop. Most of the time I use it for for placing my bags. So this is where I put my utensils. I know they are washed, but they are not arranged. But don't worry about them. Those are my spoons and stuff. So that's my dustbin over there. Of course, you need a dustbin. So this is my cooking area. That's my gas. That's my table and stuff. These are last night's food and all that. So we also have sugar, flour, rice. We also have a place where we place our vitungus and our nyanyas and all that stuff. We also have a tank here for emergency purposes, and it's not not the only one that is here, because you can see, guys, we have also some other cabinets down here. So inside here we have stuff, so many stuff, so many stuff. We also have more mtungis, for storing water. So basically this is my kitchen. This is how big my kitchen is, and I actually love the space and everything. So and actually love the lighting. I don't have to light the bulb all the time. When I've just placed up that curtain, I would actually see with natural light. So guys, let's go to the bedrooms. So from the kitchen, I would actually walk past this room. This is my daughter's room. Yeah, so it is right there. So at the end here I have my room. So the door is wide open because I was here. So guys, basically this is my room, and That's my charger that I use for charging my phone. We also have a mat there. We also have this bed. This is basically my bed. Yeah, and in my bedroom we have a door and we have a window. So the door leads you to the balcony and the window is for lighting. We also have wardrobes at the bedroom. These are actually wardrobes that we found them here. So it means that they were made here. They were made for this purpose. So we also have wardrobes here. And you see that karai over there? These are all our dirty clothes. So this is where we put our dirty clothes, you know. This is where we just put them. So let's like walk to the window. So this is basically my window and you can actually see outside how things are. So these are things that are on my window. We have surgical spirit, this spray, we have so many types of things, robe, watches, you know, roll-ons and stuff and all that. So on this side, I also want to show you something that happened here. On this side, my husband came with that thing. You can see that red thing, that red spray over there. And then he sprayed the wall and he wrote there, "I love you." And I don't know what else he drew there. You can see that smiley face that keeps freaking me out every time I sleep. When I wake up, you see, actually the switch is just right there. So when I wake up to switch the bulb, hey, I almost ran away, especially today. Eh? That it actually scares me. I don't like darkness and also don't like such stuff. I don't know. I think I'm going to like probably go with that spray and like remake something else from that. So probably we can walk. This is a door, yeah. We can walk out to the balcony. So guys, our balcony this is how our balcony looks like. So that's our overview. That's the environment. I'm sure you guys can see that. So here we have some noises. Today is Sunday, so of course people are in church, so don't mind the noise. This is where we place our shoes when we wash them. So and I also have a hanging line there, so sometimes I place my my clothes there, so don't mind about it. So sometimes when you don't have these clothes, you can put some seats and actually relax. So actually let's go. So guys, this is our other room. That's my daughter's room. You see, we have some stickers, some princesses sticker that she likes. I've also made some art for her with her name Casey. Her name is Casey. So we have so many arts for her. Yeah, and stuff. We also have her wardrobe over here and her bags. So these are her bags. Over here we also have her wardrobe. We have Cinderella over there. We also have this other princess over here. I don't know how she's called. I think it's the Princess and the Frog. We also have a stool there and a potty that is there for her. We also have some shoes for her there. So we also have a curtain. Probably I should like slide that curtain so that I can get some light. So guys, at the moment we are trying to furnish this room. So this room is actually a mess. It's actually a mess. So that's the mattress of this room. So we are trying to furnish this room, get a bed and stuff. So we also have a wardrobe for her. So this is where we place her clothes. So we also have other stuff here. These are not arranged stuff. My bags, my extensions, my stuff, they're just here. I've not actually made this room, sijaipanga bado, but I think it's actually going to be fair for me to show you guys this room. So basically that's the overview of the room. And yeah, let's walk to the bathroom and the toilet. In this house we only have one bathroom and one toilet, and we also have a mat there in the entrance of the toilet, so that in case you're coming from the bathroom utapata at least mahali pa kujipanguzisha and stuff. So the slippers I'm wearing, they're supposed to be here. So let's go see this. So guys, this is my bathroom. That's the sink for brushing our teeth. This is our bathing soap. This is where we put it. We also have my shower cape over there, so I don't like hassle for it. I just like it when it's in here so that I can be able. We also have, that's where we place our knee. What do you call it? Our Colgate and toothbrush and toothpaste and stuff. This is where we're supposed to place our tissue, and that's basically our toilet. That's our scrubbing brush, and yeah, that's the window and stuff, and that's it. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the house tour, and I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what you think about it. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. So anyways guys, without further ado, we're gonna end it now and see you guys in my next video. Bye.